What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, class will be in session today as I want you to take advantage of this upcoming move next week in the market, okay? Listen, guys, do me a favor. Please keep it locked, but also please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm kicking it off with Palantir. I'm going to quickly recap the earnings that they had. Earnings beat on commercial market growth and Palantir soars. Guys, we've been in this for quite some time, up over 100% in this play, but I've been calling out some levels that are en route to be hit, and I want to make sure that we respect those levels and that we do our thing with this. Check this out, guys. Palantir on Thursday reported third quarter earnings and revenue that topped Wall Street targets as commercial market growth came in above expectations. So this, coupled with everything else that they've been doing, that I've been saying, I love how the CEO been talking this whole year. That's why I've been bullish on this, as well as the government contracts, as well as their stronghold on AI and everything else. Palantir stock surges, guidance met views amid buzz over artificial intelligence, guys. And that led the stock to, check this out, guys. On the week, this play was up 23.44%, the equivalent of $3.57, guys. What a massive move, okay? Again, 13 has been around that support level, and 1920 has been the resistance level. And guys, look at, we're sitting at 1880. We're getting very, very close, and that's the move I have for you guys for this upcoming week, okay? Guys, for those of you that have been with us since $9, you're well up over 100%. And listen, we're getting very, very close to our $20 price target. Once again, that'll be twice this year, which means we've had a chance to rinse and repeat this play 2 times just in this year alone. And that's the power of the stock market, guys. Being able to double your money, being able to build wealth by investing, getting in low, having a target, trading with a plan. All of this is an example that came to fruition with Palantir. Do me a favor, guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you hold Palantir, how many shares you have, and what your average cost is, okay? Check this out, guys. We're going to bring out the chart momentarily so that I can show you some things I want you to pay attention to. Okay, guys, class is in session. I have the one-day chart pulled up here, and I'm going to call your attention to a few things I want you to pay attention to. Down here is what's called support, okay? We want to go ahead and identify those right off bat, all right? And then I want to let you know and see, have we respected this level 1, 2, 3. That's a triple bottom, okay? Triple bottoms, double bottoms lead to a move up. We have actually broken the neckline of this particular area, and we're sitting above that, okay? And so check this out, guys. If we move this over here, you can see $20 is our next target, okay? Let's go ahead and put that in here so that we know without a shadow of a doubt what we are looking to achieve, okay? That's our next target. But currently, we may need to pull back, okay, and then go towards $20, all right? Or there may be a scenario in which we just continue straight up to $20 and then bounce back to this level of support before going back to retest. But check this out, guys. Up here, if we get to this level, no matter how we get there, what is that called? That right there would be called a double top. And what did I teach you guys along the way about double tops? They primarily lead to moves down, okay? Just like the triple top and the double bottom, or just like the triple bottom and the double bottom leads to a move up. So you want to be thinking big picture in terms of the traps they're trying to set, okay? So I want you guys to be mindful of the double top, that when we hit our target, this is why we often say, see profit, take profit. Don't overstay your welcome. Lock in some profit at 20 and then assess if we're going higher to maybe 22 or if we're going to pull it back and come back down. Let's dive back into charts really quickly, guys, because that's the setup I want you to be mindful of. If we get up there, you are going to be faced with a double top, okay? But check this out. Right here, what you have the 13 has now crossed above. It's going to eventually come over like this. And so one way or the other, we're going to get to $20, even if it bounces and hits off this line and chops its way to our overall target, okay? And so when that happens, then this blue line is going to come, support is going to be here, and then this 200 support is going to move up here. So guys, we have a chance for a pretty massive move. We have the chance to see $20 get not only recaptured, but broken through this time, because the last time we touched it, we rode it all the way from $9 to $20, okay? And so from 20, look at this. Let's dive back in here. The first time, let's put that first time we got here, we came from way down here, we took it all the way to $20 here. But watch this, when we got to 20, we went down, bounced off, hit resistance there, came down here, and then we just chopped in this area before making this double bottom, got up here, got smacked back down, and that's what has made the current of what we see now, okay? But listen, guys, these are things I want you to be thinking about when you are spending time on the weekends and thinking about what do you need to be doing to prepare for the upcoming week. This is the kind of work you want to do. If this, then that. Okay, so I already have laid out for you guys. If we pull back, it might be a quick test and then a bounce to $20. Or we may go straight up, whether it's a gap up or just Monday, come right out the gate and head to $20. But at $20, you need to not overstay your welcome. You need to assess what's going on, because that will be creating a double top from the first time we tested 20, which could create a pullback, okay? That's the high level chess that I've been trying to teach you guys and show you guys, and this is how you got to be thinking, okay? The market is not rational, so the move that they make won't be something that's logical or straightforward or just a outright layup, okay? There's going to be things, there's going to be curveballs that they throw in the equation that you're not even thinking about. That's why you want to have if this, then that statements playing through your head as you make your money with these plays, okay? So listen, guys, that was a quick lesson on Palantir. Like I say, it's up 23% just this week alone, and it's headed higher. So prepare for takeoff, but be ready to lock in some profits for me, and or place your stop loss or trailing stop loss on, so that if it comes back down too violently, you can lock in your profits. And then guess what, guys? We're going to rinse and repeat this again. If it comes down to 13, 14, and 15, we'll scoop it back up and ride it back up to 20 if we see that kind of move at all. Now check this out, guys. The SPY, another one is going to make another move this upcoming week. Currently sitting at 435.25 on the week. It was up over 5.5%, and it is sitting at 435 here and after hours, okay? Look for that 434, 433 to be support. If they try to take us down lower, critical support will be 430, okay? But to start the week, we're going to try to go recapture 436, and if we successfully do that, guys, I want you to be looking for 438 and possibly 440, okay? Put those targets on your chart for this week, okay? That's what we'll be looking for in either direction. We have our game plan. You guys have your marching orders. And listen, guys, let's get ready to get after it this week. We had a phenomenal week last week because we've been calling these things out. I've been teaching and showing you guys the fear and greed index, telling you when it's at these levels, you're about to go off and take off and have a rocket ship hit the market. That's exactly what played out. I told you guys my two favorite signals are the fear and greed index and the hammer candle. I think the hammer candle is the best, but nevertheless, they get you the result you're looking for, and that's what it's about. Guys, we're going to put the smackdown on the market this week, so get ready. Join the Discord. Be in there first thing in the morning. A link for that is in the description below. Or feel free to consider joining the money team for this particular week if you're ready to make some money with us, okay? With that being said, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.